Innal hamdalillah, thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We welcome everyone once again to Halal Dollars, and inshallah we are going to be continuing our explanation on the data sheet. So as we have explained in the previous videos, we have explained the activity sheet, we have explained the inventory sheet, we have explained the accounting sheet, and inshallah today we are going to be explaining the product distribution sheet. If we have not watched the previous videos, please ensure you watch them before coming over here. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said. This is a system, and it's good you understand the whole system as a whole. So for the product distribution sheet, the essence of it is for us to know what product is where at every point in time. So this sheet gives us the full information of where our products are. So the sheet has the date, and that is obviously the date that the recording is going to be taking place. The second one is allowed dollars, which means that the amount of products that you have with allowed dollars. Once we ship in products, the products is going to arrive in allowed dollars premises at Lagos. So the initial status of the initial amount of products you would always have would initially start with allowed dollars. However, when we start shipping, we send to different locations. If maybe you use GIG, you can send a number to GIG. So if you send a number to GIG on that date, then you are going to input the amount of products that were sent to GIG on that day. If you send the number of products to Abuja, you are going to input the number of products sent to Abuja. So for Abuja, Lagos, Kaduna, Port Harcourt, Kano, all of these states are the states that we have delivery persons in. And these are the states that we'll be using when we want to use delivery persons to make deliveries in those states. So all of those states, whenever you request that the products be sent to those states, these are the place you record. So you two will be able to keep track. We will be keeping track on our end, but you two should be able to keep track, and would always be in sync whenever we need to make any clarifications. So that's it. So that applies to Lagos, that applies to Kaduna, that applies to Port Harcourt, and also Kano. So I'm going to be giving an example, a walkthrough, a physical walkthrough. So today is the 27th of October. So I'm going to write today's date, 27th of October, 2023. So whenever you order products, let's say we've ordered 80 M9 earbuds. So we're going to say we have 80 M9 earbuds with allowed dollars on the first day. Let's say that first day we ran our ads and we saw, let's say, 30 orders, and of the 30 orders we saw maybe 20 of them were confirmed. So we used GIG for all those deliveries. Do you understand? So it means that we sent how many with GIG? 20. Did we send any products to Abuja? No, so we don't need to fill it. Did we send any products to with our delivery persons in Lagos? No, so we don't need to fill it. Did we send any products to Kaduna? No, and the same thing applies to other states. Because we didn't send any products, so nothing. As for the amount of products we have left, is going to be 60, because the amount of products that has gone out is what? 20, so we just have 60 left with us in allowed dollars. So this remainder means the amount of products left with allowed dollars in the custody of allowed dollars. Now, the amount of products left the previous day is the amount of product that we would have left today. Do you understand? So it means that today, let's say today is now 28th, the next day, 28th of October 2023. It means that the amount of product left with allowed dollars, is it going to be 80? No, it's not going to be 80. Rather, it's going to be what? 60 from the previous day, which is what? 60. Do we understand? Let's say we sent out 10 products via GIG, and maybe we sent out 5 products to Kaduna. So it means that the amount of product that will be left with us is going to be what? 45. So that's the amount of product left with allowed dollars. The same thing will apply for the next day. Say today again, 29th again, so we sent out another product, 2023. We sent, how many products we have with allowed dollars? It has to be from the previous day we have 45, so it means that today we have what? 45. Do you understand? Because the amount left yesterday is the amount we'll have today. Do you understand? So maybe we didn't even use GIG today, and maybe we only sent maybe 10 products to Abuja. So it goes on. So for the remainder, you don't touch the remainder. You don't need to touch the remainder. All you need to do is input the date, and you input the amount of product left with allowed dollars based on the previous day. Do you understand? And you input whatever is sent to different locations for that day. This product distribution sheet is going to be used by those in the delivery team. By those in the delivery team. So those in the delivery team are the ones, the delivery and payment are the ones that would be using this, because they are the ones that will be liaising with us in the allow dollars team to tell us that, okay, we have 10 orders for Abuja. Okay, send 10 items for us to the delivery person at Abuja. So they are the ones that will be liaising with us. So they are the ones that should record the data in this sheet. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nash'adu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.